So today you have to guess the flag while seeing my cloth. Not France, not UK. It is United States. So today I'm going to talk about United States. So this is a book called Tell Me About Explorers and Faraway Places. You can see here. Stop the video. Yeah, so you heard it right. Tell Me About Explorers and Faraway Places is the name of this book. You can see here. Now, I don't know which page number, let me tell you. It's literally there. I heard that in that page, they were saying that Columbus, who founded United States, was not the first person to visit America, yeah? So he wasn't the first person to visit America. But what happened, let me just tell you. In this book, there are topics that who made the first map, and who explored the sea, and who made the compass, who was a great explorer, about Silk Road. We all know about Silk Road. So in page number 18, they say who was the Christopher Columbus. You can see here. But then, when you go on here, did you know, here it is written, Columbus was not the first person to visit America. Now I'll tell you more evidence later, but first, let me tell you who was Christopher Columbus. Columbus was the first person to return to Europe with news of the land that became known as America, United States of America. In 1492, he led 3 Spanish ships across the Atlantic Ocean on where he thought would take him to China, but when he got to America, he had no idea that China was still half a world away. Yeah, so that's so long. But then he was sure the islands he had reached, the Bahamas, were part of the coast of Asia. Now let me move on. So around the year 1000, the Viking Leif Erikson was blown off course on his way to Greenland. He landed in Newfoundland. You can see here. So this was a ship here, a Viking long ship. You can see here. That's a pretty cool, yeah. Viking. Yeah, Viking. Yeah, so this is a Viking long ship. So when he landed in Newfoundland, but news of his discovery didn't reach Europe. So that was a big mistake that happened. But I think if they do that, so the land would be China's, and China would be the biggest country in the world. Yeah, because you can see America is second biggest country in the world. Woo, cool. So this was our today's information. You can see here, and I'm gonna tell you about more topics, that who founded Serbia, and who explored North America, like what is the Northwest Passage, who were the conquistadors. You know, I played a game. In the game, they told me about, in the game there are some of the kings and them. Some of the kings, one of them I know, Ivan the Terrible, they founded Serbia. I'm just telling you a short information, not so big, and so many other things. And also in this book, there is written who founded the biggest ocean in the world. You know, the Pacific Ocean, that one. And who was the first person to go to the sea, and more information, so much information. We'll meet you in the next video.